Today we are making Suki Bhaji, a classic Gujarati dry potato sabji. Peel 4 medium potato, cut them into bite-sized cubes. Heat oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add hing, haldi, curry leaves and 1 chopped green chilies for spices. Add peanuts, cashew nuts according to your taste. Mix well all together. Season with salt, red chili, jeera powder, coriander powder. Now add the boiled potatoes. Mix gently without breaking them. Add lemon juice. Add sugar and salt according to your taste. Cook for few minutes till the edges get slightly crispy. Mix well and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes until potatoes are crispy. Garnish with coriander and your Suki Bhaji is ready. Eat Suki Bhaji with puri, Thepla or chapati. Enjoy. For more recipe, go to Gujarati-style.com. Finish with fresh coriander. Suki Bhaji is ready. Simple, tasty and full of Gujarati flavor. Serve with hot. Serve hot with thepla, puri, rotli, even in your lunchbox. Ekdam jackass.